Presidente, guys. Celebrate something. Ano naman yung nila dito, guys?
Let me look for the Avena. How many you want? 2?
Then let's go with it to look for it. Avena nila dito, guys. Maraming tao po kasi 4th of July ngayon. Maybe in the, ano, baby, the... Yeah, like that. Yeah. Ah, over here maybe. Yeah, over here. Oh. Yeah. Look. Ah, they have a lot of coffee here, baby. Different. Oh, ayan, El Cookie, the one that you said. Rico Rico. There's a lot. Santo Domingo. Different coffee version.
Instant coffee, 3 in 1.
Oh,
They have 3 in 1.
Oh wow! Let's try this one.
Which one you like, vanilla or regular coffee? Cappuccino.
Cholesterol and lactose free.
Look, they got mocha, the chocolate, the vanilla, caramel, plastic.
This one na lang, are.
Huh?
That one na lang. We'll try.
It's
Like natural na? The ano?
cold coffee.
What flavor is that?
Coffee, creamer, and sugar ready.
Ah, okay. That's it.
Ah, those are Filipino only have there.
Wala, they don't have one here. Ay, here they don't have.
Yeah, yeah.
They don't have. Ayan o. Oh, it's different pala.
What I found was like in the bottom.
Okay. This is Presidente, guys. Presidente. Look at their meat here. Oh, wow.
I mean, cheap this is for grilling.
Yeah.
That's why I got it here.
Ah, this is for grilling, baby?
No, no. To buy too.
Yeah.
Para mí.
Steak. Huh? $5. It's expensive. This is bone. Yeah. Ayan o, they have ano. This is beef chunk, oh. This is good for ano, steel.
What is it that they always buy?
What?
What kind of beef that they buy all the time?
Ano ba yan?
Last time I got churrasco, he said it was a good price, but I got it.
Yeah.
It's smaller, you know?
Tingin kami ng Avena. Avena here, Avena. Ah, they have a lot here, oh.
Yeah. Avena.
Yeah.
Look at that. They got Maicena. Different brand, but
Yeah.
or corn.
What is that?
This is
Avena
the corn.
in Jovelas. What is that?
Oh, I don't know.
What does it is the
Avena
different?
and Ojuela. Oh, that's maybe the bigger leaves. The bigger one?
Yeah.
The old-fashioned one, maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Look, they got the corn one.
Crema de maíz.
Look. Where's the other one? Uh-oh.
Just that Avena and then vanilla flavor. That's it. I like that one.
Which one?
That one, the Avena that you first bought.
This one? Canela?
Yeah.
I'm looking for
Fully cooked. I'm looking for a sausage. The black sausage, Puerto Rican black sausage.
Ah,
Let me see if they have it.
I don't know if they have. Maybe they have chicken jumbo franks. But I don't like to eat hot dog. That's a
No.
lot of spices, guys. Looking for beautiful. Okay. Gusto kong bumili ng ano na i-refill. Ay, ito. Refill. Tapos i-refill ko guys doon sa bag ko. Kasi gusto ko yung ano. Gusto ko yung ito. I-refill ko siya. At look at her idea, guys. Bebe, come here. Bebe. Come here. Yeah, balado pa na. But I don't like El Salvador.